We just ate at La Hacienda here in Ocala, and this is a very impromptu video. We did not have this planned whatsoever. Behind us is, I don't even know how to pronounce it. La
Michoacana?
Sure.
That's my best guess.
We're gonna go with that. And Timber and my dad were like, let's go in here and eat or try the ice cream. So we said, let's make a video about it. Have no idea what to expect, but
it looks good.
Looks really good. Looks very fun inside. Let's go check it out. Let's see if we see the hours. I don't see the hours, but let's go in and see what it looks like. My family's already in here. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Very cool. Let's go over here and look at the flavors. You can see all their menu up there as well. If we look at their flavors, tequila, what? Queso cheese, Oreo, Cookie Monster, bubblegum, I love bubblegum. Ooh, avocado, strawberry. Over here, look, Starbucks coffee. M&M's, ooh, I don't know what to do there. You can see some stuff over here as well. And over here, this is where you pay. Keep it fresh and flavorful. Very cool. I don't know what I'm gonna get. And then over on the wall, you can see all their chips and stuff they have. Like down here, Flamin' Hot Cheetos. And can you put the snacks with the ice cream? Look at the snacks up there. Some more over here on the wall. There's some hot Cheetos right there and there. Wow. And see, they have hot Cheetos with cheese or chips of choice. You can see they've got some bowls or cones. So they just opened and they said there's going to be 48 flavors eventually in here. So they keep working on getting some more flavors. But you can see there's some like little like popsicle things. So brand new location, working on adding more in here. You just tried the avocado and it was good? I'm going to try the mango. Here's the mango. Oh, that's really good. That's very good. Pretty cool. There's like a crunch bar in this one. There's the Cheetos. That's very neat. I think I'm gonna try the tequila one as well. Here's the tequila one and it has almonds with it. That's tasty too. I think I'm gonna go with mango though. That was really, really good. Look at their trash can. How neat is that? And then they got a couple benches in here as well. Here's my mango. And Timber ended up going with the avocado. You love the avocado? Mango's so good. Trying the mango again. I just got the single in a cup. Decently good size there. I mean, that is so good. Give it a try. Yeah, it's very good. The closest thing I could think of was when I went over to Greece and got the mango flavor over there, like a gelato. It tastes very similar to that. It's so good. You can see all the designs up here, and I just talked to the owners, and they designed this whole area, the whole restaurant, including the trash can. And you can see these were actually hand cut in Mexico. And the third one here is a horse, and the reason why there's a horse design is for Ocala. Very, very cool. The attention to detail in here is amazing. Looks so awesome and tastes very, very good as well. And which one did you get? Strawberry cream? And then my parents are sharing the strawberry cream. You can see there's the address on there too. And you like it? Very good? Total price was $11.45. I know they had to close because of the hurricane for a day or so, I think they said, but just recently opened. As you can see, finished that off. That was very, very good. Here's the avocado ice cream, and I have a story about that I'll tell you in just a second. It is very good. Very, very good. Would you say the avocado is stinking good?
Absolutely, without a doubt.
Yeah, you would recommend avocado?
Absolutely, without a doubt.
Oh, this is all stinking good, and I'm coming back.
Going back to the avocado story, so my dad makes avocado ice cream, and everybody thinks, ooh, avocado ice cream, but it is some of the best ice cream I've ever had in my entire life. It is excellent. That is just as good. There's not many people that make avocado ice cream. In fact, I only know just a few. And really don't find avocado ice cream anywhere else, but we found it here and it is very, very good. You can see there's quite a bit of people in here now, but totally worth it. We will be back. They also have their own popsicle sticks here. That's really neat. Just found out also that the owner is a 3rd generation ice cream maker, and his son is going to be a 4th generation ice cream maker.
That's cool. I think the name of the restaurant, let me look really quick.
I do not know how to pronounce it, so I'm not even going to try.
I believe it's La Michoacana. And
That's good.
Thank you. That region of Mexico is apparently known for ice cream and ice cream makers.
That's
is
interesting.
Just a quick Google search.
We'll have to look at their Facebook page, and we'll actually share their Facebook page down below in the description. You can check it out. Very nice owners. They were great. Again, they designed the whole place. And they just opened, and the ice cream was great.
Yeah, delish. Yeah, it was delicious with fun flavors.
Yeah, we will definitely be back. But with that being said, that was the Impromptu ice cream place here. We had no idea where we were going, and my dad and Timber started walking to it. But very good. Definitely check it out. With that being said, that does it for tonight. Thanks for watching.